Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to deactivate a Facebook page from laptop. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my page. Now to deactivate this page, first of all tap on this icon of your page. After that, go to this settings and privacy. Then click on this settings and over here you'll find this interface. Now just scroll down and over here you'll find this access and control. Click on this and over here you'll find this deactivate or delete your Facebook page. Now over here you can see this deactivate is already selected, and also here is information that this is temporary. That means you can reactivate your page anytime you like. But if you want to delete this permanently, you can go with this delete page. You can see this is permanent. That means you cannot revive your page in future. Now I'll go with this deactivate page and now click on this continue. After that you will be asked to re-enter your Facebook password. I'll enter mine and after entering your password just tap on this continue. After that select one region over here. Now I'll go with this is temporary, I'll be back. And now you can see I've selected this region. You can select anyone from here and also you can explain this further. After selecting this, just scroll down and click on this deactivate. After that you'll find this are you sure you want to deactivate your page? Just click on this deactivate. And now you can see I have successfully deactivated my Facebook page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.